Hi there, everyone. It's Betsy-Morgan. It's so nice to be with you. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, if you like these videos, press the subscribe button. That way, my YouTube videos can come directly to your email. What I'd like to talk with you about today is channeling. As you know, I'm a channeling teacher and have been for going on 40 years. I've gotten the opportunity to teach channeling all over the world, and I have beautiful students, such as yourself, all over the world. I have an international friendship, and I invite you to join it. If you have an interest in channeling, I want you to know you can channel. It is much easier than many people think it is. My teacher guide and yours would be Orion. Orion is a beautiful being of light, comes from another universe. Many people call him an angel or an archangel because he's loving and brilliant and strong and creative and wants to help you to be all that you can be. I know that if you're watching this video right now, you, like me, want to be all that we can be in this lifetime. And sometimes it's difficult. We might wake up in a bad mood or hurting or tired or worrying about something. But you know, the gift is free will. We have choice and we get to choose what we think about. And what we think about creates an emotion. And emotion creates good feelings, and good feelings create chemicals in our body. Our heart is the lead domino. We often hear that, but it truly is chemically the lead domino. When we are feeling good, our heart sends chemicals and messages to our brain, and our brain responds and gives health to our body and encourages us to think happy thoughts and to be creative and create new ways of creating our life. Perhaps we were stuck and we didn't know where we wanted to go, our direction in life. Well, I would suggest for you to relax, tune into your heart, and listen to the lead domino in you. Your heart is connected directly to God. It is. And God is a source of love and creativity. God is an intelligence that lives in you. And when you or me, when we are directed too much on the outside world, it can appear frightening. We can look at things that are happening, wars or terror. Let's not even talk about that. Let's talk about the heart again. When we direct our energy and our focus here, then things begin to beat in our normal rhythm. Our heart beats with Gaia, our Mother Earth, and nature begins to develop a sense of inner peace. That's when we can hear God within talking to us. And that's very simply what channeling is. Allowing yourself to relax, come home to your heart, tune in to your higher self, to God, or to a friend that we call spirit guides, or an angel, someone who loves you, who wants to help you to be your happiest self. So I'm going to do a channeling, and I'm going to ask Spirit to channel a message of love for us today along these lines. Here we go. If you want to come with me, let's allow ourselves to relax, center into our hearts, feel the love there. I'm going to invite 100,000 angels to lift, love, and protect us while we do this good work. Here we go. Together we close our eyes for a moment to relax, and we allow ourselves to drop into our beautiful and open hearts. And here we invite 100,000 angels of love and light to lift, love, and protect us while we hear a message from the divine. Beloved children of light, know indeed that I am his tear, and this is Archangel Michael. I come to you this day indeed with Orion, my good friend, and with the energy of the divine I am. I come to tell each and every one of you that you are saved. There is no reason to worry. Whatever your mistakes have been, and whether you call them sins or mistakes, there is no judgment in the heavenly realms. The judgment indeed comes from you in your mind. And as you think bad about yourself, then that energy of badness or disappointment, discouragement, or fear will turn around on you and attract to you sour circumstances. Beloved angels, earth angels of light and love, we encourage you this day to take time every day to sit and be ye relaxed for even 3 minutes and say to yourself and feel, I'm an earth angel. I am love divine, incarnated in a human body. I can have anything I want that benefits me and mankind, and I want love. I want inner peace, and I want prosperity of every good thing for myself and others. Then open your heart and imagine a beautiful light of love. Some of you may see it as golden light, others white, others pink, and let it fill your heart as you feel the flow of love. You may also feel your organic energy field that is called the aura expand and grow bigger as it cleanses your body, your mind, and your energy. And then ask for a message of guidance. What can I do today to make me happier and to feel more secure? And I am asking for that message for myself so that you can see what it is like. Beloved Betsy-Morgan, daughter of light, we wish for you to follow in your own footsteps that have already gone before you. We wish for you to visit one in your family that you have been thinking about, and we wish for you to write a message of love, whether it be a sonnet or a poem or a message. And we wish for you to sit for a few moments and feel love for yourself. And finally, number 4, in your sitting, we wish for you to affirm for yourself, I am love. I am connected to my highest path and greatest direction in this lifetime. God and I are one, and I know where to go and what to do for my greatest peace and happiness. And so it is. Amen, amen, amen. And now I'm coming back, and I want you to know that message nearly made me cry because I tuned in personally as they were talking to me. But I noticed while I was channeling that the message, ironically, could be your message. So take it as your message. Do those things today and see what happens for you. Do you know, spirit follows love. Spirit follows laughter and light. And they were saying to me just before we got on to do the YouTube, they were saying, follow the yellow brick road. You are the yellow brick road. Spirit follows you. And if you are sad or disappointed, Spirit follows that. But if you are happy and positive and have faith and hope, Spirit follows that and then unfolds unto you a wonderful outcome. You're the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road with joy, and you will find your city of Oz, whatever that is for you. I love you, and I wish for you happiness and joy. And if you would like to connect with me, I want to give you my email, and I want you to know that I will do my very best to personally answer your email. So it's all about channeling. I will be helping you to connect with channeling. My website is askbetsymorgan.com or thepsychicteacher.com, so I can help you to help yourself. You've got angels. Just call on them. We're all here for you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in.